What's up, y'all? It's your boy Nikki coming back here with another video. Today, as y'all read by the title, I'm unboxing another one of these Wish products. Now, if y'all don't know what this is the Naruto headband. It finally came in. Yes. Alright, so the headband finally came in, as y'all can see right there. Alright. Okay. First, let me get a thumbnail. Alright. Let's open this up real quick. Now I read the description. My cousin has one. My friend has one. I actually bought it for him before. And here it is. I was just watching Naruto too, so I'm glad this came in. I was actually praying that this would come in so I could make this video. And I'm happy this finally came in. Woo! Metal plate. You can see right off of it. Like, this is so clean. Whoa. It's nice. And it's even bendable, so when you put it on your forehead, it'll actually bend like this. Like this. I'm not trying to break it, but hit my eye. Oh, wow. Alright. Let's put this on real quick. Do I look stupid right now? Do I just look? I'm just gonna lift it up. Maybe I should have ordered a different one. I want to see how it look. I'm gonna have to fix this. How do I look? Whew. Time for Shadow Clone Jutsus. Shadow Clone Jutsu! Alright, y'all. I got the little head plate. I don't know how I look. Let me look in the mirror real quick. I look good, I think. I just need to change my shirt, but... Shadow Clone Jutsu! That was nice. I need some chakra. Boom! Alright, yeah. So this is the review. I mean, the headband overall, it's pretty good, but only bad thing about it is that it needs to bend a little bit more. So, oh, there it goes. Because this head plate is cool. It looks exactly like the cartoon. Now me and my cousin can fight with our Naruto headband because you already know I'm Sasuke. No, I'm not Sasuke. I'm Naruto. Because he's still a savage. Alright. Let's undo this. When I first ordered one, I thought it was going to be small. I thought, like, when I took it out the package, I thought it was small. Then I realized my forehead is not gigantic as I thought it was going to be. So, as y'all can see, like in the show, if y'all watch the show, people have it around their necks. Rock Lee has it around his waist. But I'm gonna put it on my forehead like how a lot of people do. Well, overall, this headband is really good. I definitely recommend it for you guys. You guys should go check it out right now. Alright, this is the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Do whatever you gotta do to support me and my channel. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you guys in the next video.
All this ice on my neck, call it frozen.